Hey, it's Joy and welcome to the firm. I was going to do a video on the 10 things you need to make sure your business has before going into 2022. So whether you're the rookie or the vet, you just started a business or you've been in business for a while, you want to make sure your business has these 10 things. The first thing is going to be you need to first, of course, have your LLC. We are not using a DBA in 2022, so you need to have your LLC. If you already have an LLC, make sure that you have filed your state's annual requirements to keep your LLC active. And make sure that you have enough LLCs. You should not be running multiple businesses in one LLC for asset protection reasons. You don't want to have, multiple businesses in one LLC. You need to have each business have its separate LLC. So number one is have an LLC. Make sure you're filing your annual requirements to keep it active, and also make sure you have enough LLCs for all your. The second thing you need is going to be an operating agreement. The operating agreement is the contract for the LLC. So who owns the LLC, how are losses distributed, how are profits distributed, how is the LLC ran, what kind of capital contribution was put in for the LLC. So you need your operating agreement for your LLC. The third thing you need is going to be a business bank account. You want to make sure that you have a business bank account in the business name and that you're running it like a business bank account. So we're not swiping our check card for our business account for personal items like lashes, waxing, getting our nails done, getting a haircut. If something were to happen and you were to be in a lawsuit or a dispute, the first thing opposing counsel is going to do is they're going to subpoena your bank records. And if so you have your LLC, but they're looking to see, are you running it like an LLC? So when they subpoena your bank records, they're looking to see, are we commingling funds? Do we have personal money and business money together? They're also going to be looking to see, are all the expenses coming out the account business or they're personal? Walmart's bank account is not going to have nail appointments, barbershop, expenses on there. So yours shouldn't either. The fourth thing we need to make sure that we have is proper payment methods. We are not accepting Cash App. Cash App is not a business mode of payment. Zelle is, because Zelle goes directly into your bank account, but Cash App is not. So Zelle, do we have Square, Stripe, some kind of professional form to accept payment? And you want this because in your bank statements, when you go get a loan, get finance, you want to prove your income. The finance company, the lender, is not going to accept Cash App payments. Okay, so you want to make sure they're coming via Zelle, Stripe, Square, a business PayPal. We've got to have a business form of accepting payments, not Cash App. The fifth thing we need to make sure our business is coming in correct in 2022 is a branded email account. Gmail is not a professional or a business email account. So if you have a dispute at Walmart, they're going to say, email us at customerservice@walmart.com, not customerservice@gmail.com. No business is using Gmail as their email, so you shouldn't either. So you need to go get a branded email account. So info@yourbusinessname.com. If you need more information on how to get a branded email account, DM me, or I have an ebook that's coming out that walks you through on how to get your branded email so that your business looks picture perfect.